Before this video starts, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. In today's video, we are making a mango and peach drink and a raspberry strawberry drink. We are trying to present these drinks in a stunning style as well, because we think presentation is very important. These are two delicious recipes that you should try. Recipe number 1, mango and peach drink. Peel the mango and peaches. Add these into the blender. You can also add sugar, but this is optional. Add water. Now blend these ingredients. Pour and chill. Recipe number 2, strawberries and raspberries drink. Raspberries, strawberries and 1 glass almond milk. Add these ingredients into blender. Start to blend. Now pour and chill. Delicious drinks are ready. You can decorate these drinks with delicious fruit. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed already, and share these videos with your friends and family. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video.